Hey everyone, welcome back to the cottage. It is officially spring and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of spring cleaning and decorating to get the cottage all spruced up for the new season. And if you are someone who is excited about spring cleaning and decorating, I want to let you know that today's video is part of a collaboration with the Mega Motivation group. And as always, when I do those collaborations, I will have a playlist linked down below in the description box with tons of extra videos that you can watch regarding spring cleaning and decorating. I hope you'll be able to check those out once you're finished watching today's video. One of the first things I need to do to say goodbye to winter is to move the large puzzle table out of the main living space. And we have this table set up in the winter months so that we can put together puzzles. And my husband just finished the very last one of the season. So this table is now going to go up into the girls' bedroom, and I'm going to bring down the smaller table that they had up there. I absolutely love rearranging the living room furniture for the different seasons. I feel like it gives the space an entirely new look. And I have a specific way that I set things up for the winter, with kind of centered around the fireplace. And for the spring, I want to open everything up and kind of have a more flowy, open concept, I guess, layout for the main level. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. This vintage blanket is not only beautiful, it has a lot of sentimental value to my family, and I just love bringing it out for the spring season. To me, spring decor would not be complete without some fresh flowers, and even though there's snow on the ground outside, I want to bring in the fresh flowers, and so I purchased some from our grocery store, and I'm going to divide them amongst these glass jars and kind of distribute them throughout the main level just to kind of give that fresh smell and that look and nod towards spring. I found so many fun ways to decorate with this wooden crate that we have, and right now I'm going to use it as a table centerpiece by adding a bit of yellow fabric to the inside and then layering it with a little tray that has glass jars filled with flowers. Our bedroom is very small, and so it doesn't need a lot of change to make it ready for spring. I'm simply going to turn around this wooden window frame to the more colorful side, which is the green side, and also change out the blanket at the end of the bed and add a springtime pillow. Even though I'm not able to clean the outside of the windows quite yet, I am going to clean the inside glass and remove any little fingerprints and smudges. I'm excited to once again be bringing out my little tin collection. I've added a couple pieces to it since last year, and this sort of just gets me in the mood again for growing things in the garden. I'm going to put a few little plants here and also some starter seedlings that I have going that need to germinate a little bit longer before I can plant them outdoors. Even though my husband isn't a huge fan of this little red table because of its color, I love adding vibrant pops of color wherever I can to sort of balance out the amount of white and neutrals that we have throughout the cottage. Well, I hope you enjoyed coming along today as I did a little bit of spring cleaning and decorating here at the cottage. I definitely had a lot of fun, and everything is looking very light and bright, and those vibrant colors are just giving a lot of joy to the space, and I'm ready to say goodbye to winter and usher in the spring. I actually hear a few birds chirping outside, and so I'm hoping that maybe the weather will make a turnaround as well and we can get some warmer temps outdoors. So remember, if you are interested in more videos about spring cleaning and decorating, you can check out the description box for a link to that Mega Motivation playlist. Thanks so much for watching my video today, and I hope that you'll stop by the cottage again really soon.